Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete email address on Facebook. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Facebook on your mobile device. The next is to click on your profile icon, click on three lines, click on edit option, scroll down to the last page, click on edit your about info. So in order to delete your email address, click on the pencil icon close to the Gmail address. Click on manage contact info. Click on the Gmail address, the email address. All you have to do here is to click on delete email address and confirm your decision. A code will be sent to your email where you just have to come and confirm your decision and it will be deleted automatically. So guys, that is it on how to delete email address on Facebook. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.